Have you ever wondered how many miles an electric vehicle can take you before it needs to be replaced? 70,000 or maybe 100,000? Well, what if I told you that some electric vehicles can last over 200,000 miles? You'd probably be thinking maybe one or two. But guess what? There's more. According to sources like iSeeCars and Consumer Reports, electric vehicles are proving to be incredibly durable, with many models lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. So grab your favorite beverage, get comfy, and let's dive right in. Car number 1. Kia EV6. If you're looking for a high-quality electric vehicle with a long lifespan, then the Kia EV6 might just be for you. It comes with a lithium-ion battery that can give you up to 500,000 miles of juice. But that's not all. It also features a 7-year, 100,000-mile battery warranty, which means you can be sure to get at least 100 miles out of this car with absolutely no problems. The Kia EV6 also uses heat pump technology to heat the cabin, which reduces strain on the battery and improves overall efficiency. What you see here is basically the conversion of external air and heat from electronic components in the vehicle to generate cabin heat. And just when you think it can't get any better, it comes with battery preconditioning, which improves the battery life expectancy, especially in cold temperatures. The EV6 was created based on the eGMP battery model that seeks to give you the best out of your battery. With features like a low center of gravity, V2L technology, and ultra-fast charging, the Kia EV6 has received quite a reputation already. And for the price, which starts at $44,000, there's no reason you shouldn't be getting this car. Car number 2. Tesla Model 3. If you're considering buying an affordable car that is reliable and efficient, the Tesla Model 3 is what you should get. Powered by lithium-ion batteries, the Model 3 has been reported to last about 1,500 charging cycles, which is approximately 300,000 miles for standard range models and 500,000 miles for long-range versions. It offers a range of up to 358 miles per charge on the long-range model, which means that you can just stop fewer times on the road to recharge. The Tesla Model 3 also uses a heat pump, which absorbs heat from the ambient environment, drive unit, motor, inverter, and battery, transferring it to the cabin. This cooling system makes the car super efficient. Just like the Tesla Model S, the Model 3 is estimated to lose 12% of its battery life after hitting the 200,000-mile milestone. Also, a warranty of 8 years or about 100,000 to 150,000 miles is provided. With a range that starts at $40,000, the Model 3 is one of the most affordable cars that is efficient and reliable that you should consider buying. Car number 3. Tesla Model S. When it comes to the Tesla Model S, there should be between 300,000 and 500,000 miles of use out of the Model S's battery, or 1,500 battery cycles. It comes with a lithium-ion battery that is designed with thermal management. For the average driver who drives about 13,000 miles per year, the battery should be good for roughly 22 to 37 years. As your Tesla gets used, the battery gradually loses some of its capacity to hold a charge, and after reaching 200,000 miles, the Model S is estimated to lose 12% of battery life on average. Many people have given testimonies that their Teslas have retained up to 80% capacity even after many years of use, and some have used theirs close to 600,000 miles with just few replacements. Tesla also provides a warranty that spans 8 years or between 100,000 to 150,000 miles. Although it is more expensive than the Tesla Model 3, with a staggering price of about $70,000, the car is highly reliable and efficient. You should definitely buy one if you can afford it. Car number 4. Volkswagen ID.4. The Volkswagen ID.4 electric SUV embodies a simply adorned design and houses a spacious interior. With a 201 horsepower single-motor model with rear-wheel drive which delivers up to 206 miles of EPA estimated range, the Volkswagen ID.4 is among the most reliable electric vehicles. Offering one of the longest battery warranties at 8 years or 100,000 miles, it is regarded to be highly reliable. It is one of those electric vehicles that last more than 200,000 miles. The ID.4 has a 58 kilowatt-hour battery pack which sits at 206 miles. That's less than other electric SUVs such as the Hyundai Kona Electric and the Kia Niro EV. The battery can be charged at home on 110 or 240 volt connections. Of course, it is also capable of DC fast charging. The battery is encased in an aluminium metal frame which is designed to prevent heat from building up inside the car. The battery cells are also designed from a special coating that brings additional protection against shock, vibration, and corrosion resistance. Car number 5. Mini Cooper SE Electric. The Mini Cooper Electric is one of the few cars that last over 300,000 miles in its lifespan on its battery. This is equivalent to about 10 and 15 years before the need to replace the original battery. The Mini Electric's battery is uniquely designed in a T-shape, with part of it between the front seats and flowing beneath the rear seats. It uses 12 packs of lithium-ion cells. Its 32.6 kWh battery pack is EPA rated at 110 miles on a single charge, and at a charging speed of 50 kW, it can charge from 10 to 80% in just under 30 minutes. If you're using home AC charging at 7.4 kilowatts, you can completely restore the battery in 4 hours. The Mini Electric comes with an 8-year, 100,000-mile battery warranty. The price of the Mini Cooper SE Electric starts at about $31,000 and goes up to $37,000 depending on the trim and options. Car number 6. Hyundai Kona Electric. Finding an affordable all-electric vehicle can be a challenging task, but the Hyundai Kona Electric certainly makes things easier. The Hyundai Kona Electric is a highly efficient vehicle and offers 2 different battery packs. The base Kona Electric uses a 48.6 kilowatt-hour unit with an estimated range of 200 miles. A larger 64.8 kilowatt-hour battery is available and bumps the estimated driving range to 260 miles. The Kona Electric comes with a 201 horsepower electric motor configuration, which makes traveling around the city easy, especially with the instant torque from its electric motor system. The Kona Electric, with the larger battery pack and more powerful electric motor, reaches 60 miles per hour in 7 seconds. That's slower than the previous generation model. The Kona Electric is regarded by customers and reviewers alike as a highly reliable vehicle and is sure to last up to and even beyond a 300,000 miles lifespan. The Kona Electric uses a specially designed lithium-ion polymer battery, which has a lower memory sensitivity together with the kind of charge efficiency that sets it apart from other EVs. Car number 7. Nissan Leaf. While the Nissan Leaf is one of the oldest battery electric vehicles on the market that lasts over 200,000 miles, it remains the right choice for some despite its age. It's one of the most affordable EVs you can buy, with a starting price of less than $30,000. The initial battery packs, which were used in the first generation of production, had issues with failure in hot and dry climates. These issues were unceremoniously corrected in the second generation Nissan Leaf heat-resistant lithium-ion cells. They called it the Lizard battery. Compared to the other manufacturers, Nissan has retrieved a very low number of the Leaf batteries from their cars on the road for failures or warranty period changes. The Leaf can be plugged into a regular 120-volt outlet or a 240-volt outlet, but the charging times vary dramatically between the two. On a 240-volt connection, Nissan says both the standard Leaf's battery and the larger one in the Leaf's Plus can be replenished in 7 hours. A DC fast charging connection is standard on all trims. The Leaf S comes with a 40 kilowatt-hour battery that provides a relatively limited range of 149 miles. And there you have it, electric cars that can last over 200,000 miles or even more. From the innovative Tesla Model S to the reliable Nissan Leaf, these cars are proof that EVs are no longer just about going green, they're about going the distance. Whether you're looking for luxury, affordability, or efficiency, there's an electric car out there for you that can last well over 200,000 miles. So, which one of these incredible electric vehicles caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your car-loving friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.